There are two easy DIY options for removing and replacing Staylock floor tiles. The first and easiest is best used when the tile you'd like to replace is near the edge of your installation. Start by peeling back a row of tiles adjacent to the tile you'd like to remove on the loop side of your targeted tile. The lifted tiles can be either removed completely or folded back just past the targeted tile. This will give you access to the tile to be replaced. Then release the twin tab connectors from the loops on the targeted tile by pulling up the tabs. It may take a little bit of work, but this will not damage the connecting tabs or loops. Once you've removed the desired tile, place the new tile starting by sliding the loops of the new tile under the tabs of the existing tiles. Then tap the tabs down into the loops using your hand or a mallet. You can then flip your folded back section of flooring back down and tap those connectors into place to finish the project. The second option comes into play if you have a tile you will need to replace in the middle of a larger installation. In this case, you may want to use a tool to remove that tile. The tool will need to be slim enough to fit between the tiles and narrow enough to fit between the interlocks of the tiles. Slide the tool between the tiles and their loops and pry up the top tile to release the twin tabs from the loops. Generally, once one set of tabs is released, you can get your fingers between the tiles and finish pulling up the target tile by hand. Keep in mind the two sides of the tiles with the tabs will be on the top, while the loop sides of the tile will be on the bottom. When placing the new tile, make sure the tiles face in the same direction as the existing tiles. Again, slide the loops of the new tile under the tabs of the existing tiles, and then tap the tabs into place until they lock in. Enjoy your just like new Staylock PVC flooring.
Great Mats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Great Mats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Great Mats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.